of those comrades. The comments of ministers, the center must hold in government. We expect our comrades to communicate, to be on the ground, to do all the necessary that needs to be done by government, but they have to do so informed by facts. Because the fact of the matter is that from what we have seen ourselves as the ANC, is that that building belongs to the city of Johannesburg, and that steps were taken by the city of Johannesburg. Remember, again, the ANC has been out of power for almost 10 years in Johannesburg. For almost 10 years. The mayor here was Herman Mashaba. The mayor here was, who else? Mpopalate. The mayor now is Gwamanda now. So the ANC is not in charge of the city, and that is a fact. And we lost the power here in the city when the political parties aligned and voted for Herman Mashaba to become the mayor of Johannesburg. Mashaba himself has been dealing with this matter. He went to court. I was a minister of police. I came to Johannesburg and dealt with, there are many buildings that are occupied illegally in Johannesburg. I was minister of police. I worked with Mashaba to try to close down these buildings. Some of the buildings are owned by people who are dead. And then some of the buildings are owned by people who are not here in this country. And there's a lot of illegal operation happening in these buildings. I've seen them myself. I've been with you on the ground as the media. You know that. And then there are NGOs that have come in. You know, we are a lawful country. And then the NGOs I've heard now that the NGO obstructed government from doing the right thing. But it doesn't mean that government must not take responsibility, because that building belongs to them. And then I've had local government people there, they speak a lot of Karl Marx philosophy about what happened. The reality of the matter is what we are asking. Why didn't you deal with the matters on time? When there is a challenge, government shouldn't shift blame.